Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video we're going to summarize how to spawn the Rip Indra fast and easy. So go ahead and explore islands. By exploring different islands, just go ahead within the game. Rip Indra may spawn randomly in certain islands, so you need to search various locations to increase your chance finding it. And common spawn points, some islands might have a common spawn point, so just follow this one on the video. And you might have common spawn points where players frequently encounter devilish fruit, and just go ahead and persistence and luck, basically. So at random, the Indra absolutely spawns at random sometimes. So, and also server resets. So in some cases, devil fruits may respawn and change the locations after a server reset. So just keep the game updated, and that's just basically it. So thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.